Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can redeem your Minecraft code. It's pretty simple. You just want to search for Minecraft on your browser and then click on where it says the first option. Then it's going to take you to the official website of Minecraft. From over here, you need to click on redeem at the top right corner of the page. And then it's going to take you to the redeeming page. Over here, scroll a bit down and enter your Minecraft's gift card code or any code which you have of Minecraft. After you enter the code, click on submit. Once you click on submit, it's going to ask you to log in into your Minecraft account. Now, because the reason is for the code to be redeemed, you need to log in into your Minecraft account. Minecraft account, the code will be redeemed. So log in into your Minecraft account, and once you log in into your Minecraft account, if the code is correct, you will be able to redeem the thing which is linked with that code on your account. So that is how we guys can redeem Minecraft gift card or like any Minecraft gift code. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos just like this. I will see you guys next time.